What's up, YouTubers? Alright, so after last video you saw that looks like I have a pinhole in my gasket, or I have a cracked head. Hopefully it's just a pinhole in my head gasket. So what I've done is starting to prep, taking everything apart. This is kind of like the first step. I took off the air conditioning system, which is over here, the custom air conditioning mount. So you can see that, the fuel injector lines, the fuel pressure gauge, and then taped off everything. Yeah, also took off some of the stuff leading to the turbo, the charge pipes, all the stuff that's hanging off the head. I'm going to continue that today. Hopefully I'm going to be into the engine today. We'll see. I'll add some videos as I go along. Haven't really had much difficulty. If I do have difficulty at any specific section, I'll warn you guys on video in case you guys are doing a head gasket or anything where you have to pull the head off a 4BT. I'm a little disappointed that the head gasket went. I'm not exactly sure why. It could be my fault. It could have been a week on the go. It could have been my fault. One of the things I did not too long before the head gasket sprung that little leak is, where is the breather hose? Oh, I can't find it. There's a breather hose over here that comes off the side of the engine that had a little bit of blow by. Yeah, it's back there, and you can't see it, or it's very difficult to see. And I extended that, with a piece of hose all the way to the rear of the truck. And where's it at? There it is right there, and it's really nice. Any type of smell that would happen at a stoplight coming from the blow by, it was gone. But I don't know if that built up too much pressure, having that tube extended, because I noticed after that happened, I noticed it started getting some leaks right here. And it might have been the cause of the head gasket. I'm not quite sure. It could have been weak from the go. It could have been that. It could have been a combination of a few things. I honestly don't know. It kind of upsets me because I'm going to replace it, but I can't stop it from happening again if I don't know what it was. One of the guys said, "Well, maybe you have your timing set too high." Well, I know where my timing's at, and it's about I think about 1.6, 1.7. I mean, it's not really, I mean, you can look at it right there, just visually you can see that my injection pump is not on the head. But so that's not it. It's not a whole bunch of fuel, because I was actually cutting back the fuel. I was working on getting my my mile per gallon in the mid 25s with the HX30 right there. Turbo, which I had really good luck with the H1C, but I really kind of wanted to get really good gas mileage with that new turbo. Anyway, so what it boils down to is I don't know exactly what caused the head gasket to go. This engine probably has, I have to look at the numbers. I got about 10 on it since I installed it, 10,000 miles since I installed it. I think it had about 54, so it's got about 65, 70,000 miles. I could get that exact number. But that's not, for a Cummins, a 4BT, that's not very much miles. All that's braking miles. So this is either something that I did to it, or is done to it before, or related to the little bit of blow by I had. Either way, got to yank that head off and get it done. The next step before I even do that is I'm gonna go ahead and re-ring it also. I'm gonna do the rings, head gasket and rings, since it's already open. And I kind of beat on it pretty hard when I first got it because I couldn't get it to start. So I used either a little too much. So I might have a broken ring inside there somewhere. We'll find out. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to yank off those injectors. Like I said, pull off the turbo. We'll start there. And hopefully get the head off. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a bit.